Hi, I'm Lars. Welcome back to the shop. This video is about the xTool air purifier having two blinking lights on the front and that it won't turn on or anything like that. If that's what you need, then this is the video you need to see. At this point in time, we're going to turn the tool to the side and plug in this device to the PC. And we're going to come over here and connect the device. And it's going to give you a list of devices. You're going to click on the device, and then the machine will go beep beep a couple times, and it tells you, hey, it's loaded. Also, at this point in time, if there are any firmware updates, it could start downloading and installing firmware updates. Alright? So for the next part of this, I'm going to take the xTool, and this is the air purifier, and I'm going to turn this around and plug this into the back. And this will now turn on the air purifier. So one thing that happened when we got the air purifier, these two lights were blinking. Now, according to the manual, there's a motor that's burnt out. Contacted Wellbots about this blinking. Wellbots contacted MakeBlock. So MakeBlock said that this didn't get the firmware update before it left the warehouse. So we have to apply that firmware update. I'm going to show you how to do that now. Okay, so in order, this is the email that they sent back to solution for the F1 purifier. It says both the F1 and the F1 purifier, power them both up. They are both powered up. Connect the purifier to the F1. Ensure there's no power interruption during the process. F1 has to be connected to the USB in this circumstance, which is what we have. It says open XCS, which we have it open, and press ctrl+shift+i. So here's ctrl+shift+i. Again. So this is a web application running locally on the machine. And then go to the console tab, which we are here, and then there's a prompt at the bottom. And input in the box, enter the following code, and press enter. So this is what it says to do. So I'm going to highlight all this stuff here. It's just a bunch of, looks like some JavaScript and HTML mix. I'm going to go down here, I'm going to paste it, and then enter. And we get an undefined. And during the undefined, I don't know why the undefined come up, but now we got the current data, current exists power true, and I'll get back over here to the video, and the xTool is now lit up. The xTool purifier has only one light lit on it. So just got to sit and wait it out, I guess. Alright, so I don't know if you heard it when I was recording on the laptop, but this thing made a beep, 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 and then it paused, and then did another beep, and then both lights went out, and then this one lit back up. So let's see, I'm going to press the button in the middle to see if the fan turns on and the motor works. Those are the pitch of the beep. So it is running. So it sounds like that solved the problem. Hopefully it'll work. So as you can see, the purifier is sucking air and blowing air, so looks like, you know, we're done good. Now, for everyone that's kind of curious about this looks like it just took this URL to this port, this IP address and port, and actually pulled down a file, and then it did an upgrade to wherever it put it at, to the bin, and ran it, and then it just kind of executed it. I'm not sure about the undefined, but being that I am a software architect and a software developer, the undefined just mainly means that something here did not get set. So don't worry about it. It's not that big of a deal. It could just be console error being put out, or a console log with the xhr.response text. May just be this was never set. All right, maybe it didn't get set when they downloaded the information. So don't worry about that. Zero data, current is 00, exists true, power state is off, message is success. I think we're good to go. Hopefully this video helped you with the two little blinking lights on the xTool air purifier. If you like the video, please click like. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Kind of helps us out with YouTube, and it also helps us define what the content is going to be on this channel. And come back to the shop. There's a lot of stuff going on with CNC and woodworking and sublimation and lasers and whatnot. And have a good day.